So prematurity. Prematurity is defined as when you have delivery of a neonate after age of viability and before 37 completed weeks of gestation. And to understand what I mean by 37 completed weeks of gestation, you go on a tutorial of labor. You're going to on a introductory tutorial of labor. You're going to understand best what is explained by 37 completed weeks of gestation. Now, age of viability. You need to know that the age of viability depends in the country in which you are. So here we are located in Cameroon, and here we don't have enough resources to manage children that are going to that are not growing with that are not producing their own surfactant. That's why our age of viability is standard at 28 weeks of gestation. But in other countries like in Europe continent and American continent, their age of viability can go up to 20 to 22 weeks of gestation. Basically, so our age of viability is 20 weeks of gestation. Now, the next element that you have to evaluate is the classification of prematurity. Basically, classification of prematurity. Now, you need to know that prematurity can be divided into mild, it's divided into moderate, it can be divided into severe, and it can be divided into extreme prematurity. For mild prematurity, is between 34 weeks of gestation to 37 weeks of gestation. Basically, when you are between 34 to 37 completed weeks of gestation is mild prematurity. Moderate prematurity is from 32 weeks of gestation to 34 weeks of gestation. Severe prematurity is between 28 weeks of gestation to 32 weeks of gestation, and extremely severe is when it's less than 28 weeks of gestation, according to our context. So those are the definitions of prematurity. Now, after having the division of prematurities, we're going to evaluate now the SchrDbb algorithm. So we're going to visualize the mechanism of prematurity. You need to understand the mechanism which is under prematurity.